Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a crypto wallet. First, let's understand the two main types, hot and cold wallets. Hot wallets are software-based and always connected to the internet, offering convenience for frequent transactions. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are physical devices that store your private keys offline, providing superior security for long-term storage. Many users combine both for a balanced approach to managing their digital assets. Setting up a hot wallet is straightforward. Begin by selecting a trusted platform, such as a well-known exchange or a dedicated software wallet application. You'll typically register an account and complete any necessary identity verification. Crucially, protect your wallet with a robust, unique password and enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Remember, hot wallets are great for active trading and smaller amounts of crypto. For enhanced security, a cold wallet is ideal. This usually involves purchasing a hardware device, which resembles a USB stick. Once you have your device, you'll initialize it and set a secure PIN. The most vital step is to carefully write down your unique recovery phrase, typically 12 or 24 words, and store it in a safe, offline location. This phrase is your master key to recover funds if your device is lost or damaged. Maintaining strong security is paramount for any crypto wallet. Never, under any circumstances, share your private keys or recovery phrase with anyone. These are the ultimate access to your funds. Always be vigilant against phishing attempts and suspicious links, as these are common tactics used by scammers. Regularly back up your wallet's essential information and consider using a VPN for transactions on public Wi-Fi for added protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.